guys, my name is Anusha. Welcome to my back channel. Guys, I will teach you alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for doll, E for elephant, E for egg,
सीधे होके बैठो ना.
E for egg, F for fish, G for
Giraffe.
G for giraffe. मैंने मुझे G for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jump,